What's going on, guys? Thank you for coming back to the channel. I'm doing a open box today for my Legends suspensions. It's for the rears, and as you know, if you did your research on it, you know Legends are the best suspensions out there at the moment. So I'm gonna just do an open box, and then we'll get to the install in a few minutes. All right. So here's the box opening. Let's open it up. So you can see how it is. So excited, so excited. I couldn't wait. And as you all know, just by telling the cover of the box, you already know this is the Legend suspension. It's by far one of the best suspensions they are for in motorcycles today. And I'm gonna just open it up right now. Just by looking at the box, I mean, the box looks amazing. Look at that. legendssuspension.com. Get yours today. And don't worry, I'm not getting paid for this, so don't worry about it. So here we go. I'm gonna show you what it looks like when you open up the box, and then see what we got inside. Very nice box. Suspensions. So this is called the Legend Revo, I guess -A. Right, we got oh, and it also tells you, sorry guys, a little windy today. Also tells you how to install it and stuff like that, and what tools you need and all that stuff. Shock length. They say personally it's better to buy the 13-inch because then it goes down to a 12. So everybody, mostly the average person gets it a 13. All right, so here we go. Opening it up. Wow. Unbelievable. These are the but let me tell you, man, these things are amazing. I mean, you could turn it from here, so you could go also the levels all the way to the top, as tight as you want. And then you got your easy levels right here, 1 through 6, depending how you want it. Normally, they said the people usually leave it around 3 to 2, depending. You got to check it out when you go on a ride. If you have a passenger or something like that, then you turn it into 4. All right? And make sure also these come in a standard and they come in heavy. So if you weigh like 250 or more, I suggest you get the heavy, because then you have to put a passenger and then also the luggages and stuff. If you're like a skinny dude and you ride by yourself every day, then you could just get the standard. Very simple. I mean, but wow, just look at these things, man. These things are on point. All right. I'm gonna take apart my bags and take out the old shocks, compare them both, and then we can see what they're like. All right. These are the shocks that my 2019 Street Glide CVO come with. I mean, don't let Harley fool you. I mean, I compared these to my boy that he has a 2020 Road Glide, and they're exactly the same. So the suspension through Harley, honestly, it sucks compared to what it looks like. I mean, then you got your nozzle here, so you can go back and forth, 1 through 15. All right, same thing like the other side. All right, I'm gonna put them side to side in a few minutes. I'm gonna take these out, and then you can compare them. How this comparison looks from a stock shock to the Legends shock. All right, show you the difference. See how this one right here, let me see if I can focus in. This one has just a regular rubber, and this one actually has a ball pivot. So when you make turns and stuff, it'll just glide right through it. I mean, look at the thickness between this and that. Big difference. It's just made better, you know. Harley, I think you should link up with Legends and start selling these, to be honest. See that? Just look at the difference. All right, I'm gonna just install this real quick and then see how it goes. Also, make sure you use Loctite. You could use orange, blue, red, whatever they have. And so you could make sure it holds on tight. It won't loosen on you later on. Alright, so I just easily installed this. Make sure, guys, that both sides of the shocks are completely off. So then you could maneuver it with your with the jack down there, so the wheel could go up and down, so then it can even out this part right there. All right, so make sure both shocks are out, put one at a time, and then you'll even it out. All right, we'll get to the other side in a minute. This is, guys, what I'm talking about. Look at the swivel this thing has when you're making a turn. You see how it swivels? That's why it has that ball inside. That's why it has that ball inside, so when you make turns, it could actually maneuver with no problem on turns. And then it will sustain all the bumps and stuff like that. Good when you're vlogging and you know, when you have the GoPro right by your helmet. It helps talking, like, you know, all that stuff, it gets rid of it. So see how it swivels? Should be good. Here's the finished product of the Legend suspension. It's done up real nice. These are the old stock ones. Junk. Harley should be ashamed of themselves. They should just work with Legends and put these bad boys on. Alright, guys, there's the installation. I'll do another video another day when I get to ride them, and I'll let you know how it feels. Till next time, guys, subscribe, like, and share. Comment below. Let me know what you think about these Legend suspensions. All right, see ya.